Right. So let's start now. So good morning, all of you guys. Can you hear me? Good morning, all of you guys. Can you hear me? Right. Right. So as part of data analysis, all of you guys, as part of data analysis. So by Python, yesterday in the previous class we discussed about which one like pandas, right? By pandas, guys. Now let's go with a new module that is a pandas module. Which module? We'll see about a new module that is pandas module. Pandas, what does it do? Means it perform the ETL operations. Pandas performs the ETL operations means it by using pandas we can extract the data from different sources. We can make the some transformations, then we can load into the main data warehouse. So these operations are done by which one? Pandas module. The pandas module will start now. So which module here we use pandas module. Okay, we'll start now this pandas module, guys. Right. So let us start pandas pandas module, right? Pandas module. This pandas module also we have to install like an npm module. How to install? People install so pandas like this in the command prompt, right? So I'll open the command prompt. So same pip install pandas, right? Pip install pandas. So if I click enter, it installs. If it is not there, if it is there, it says that the requirement already satisfied. Okay, that means in my machine already it is available, so that I can use now, right? Now what is pandas? Means pandas is a data analysis tools. Pandas is a data analysis tool. Data analysis tool or module means by using pandas we do which one? Data analysis. In that also it performs what here? The first operation. It performs this first operation, guys. All of you, right? Means extracting data, transforming or loading or cleaning or shaping the data, and then loading into the data warehouse. This is the first operation. The second one will be the another module, that is a matplotlib module. So first we see the first one by using which one here? Pandas module. Okay, right. So pandas is a module which is used for data analysis. So it's called a data analytical tool also. Data analytical tool. Okay, and by using pandas we can do which one here? By using pandas we can perform ETL operations. Can perform ETL operations. So ETL means ETL stands for what here? It stands for extract the data from different sources, then transform the data into query format, transform, and then load into the main data warehouse. So extracting the data from different sources and transforming means shaping the data, and then we can load into the database. Okay, all of you guys, right? So first we will see some basics by using these pandas. Then we do the same operations in the pandas by using pandas, extracting, transforming, loading. So first we see in pandas what are the data structures available, right? So there are two types of pandas data structures. There are two types of pandas data structures. Two types are there. What are the types means? The first one is called series. What's first one? Series. The second is called data frame. What second one? Data frame. So series and data frame, guys. First we understand what is series and what is data frame. Once we understanding these two, then we'll create which one will perform this three operations. Okay, first series is a like series is a one dimensional data structure. One dimensional data structure. Series is a one dimensional data structure, and data frame is a multi-dimensional data structure. Series is a one-dimensional data structure, and data frame is a multi-dimensional data structure. So one-dimensional data structure means for example, Python list is the one-dimensional data structure, or you can say array also example of in array also we have three types, right? Zero dimensional, one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional. So what is the one dimensional? One dimensional means like this. Suppose this is called what here? One dimensional. All of you. So it can be list, it can be array also one dimensional, right? Table column, guys. If you take any specific table column, a specific column, table column also we can take as a one dimensional. One column. Suppose there are four columns are there, like employee number is there, employee name is there, location is there, and the salary is there, right? Suppose the numbers are like this, right? Now e number is a one which one series, one data, one dimensional, because it has a 10 11 12 means like which one list of values or array of values, right? Or e name also one dimensional. Like here you can have some names, some names means like Sai you can have, let's take the Nani, okay, and let's take some names Satya here, right? Then let's take suppose Rahul, all of you, and we'll take something Rajesh. Now here name also is a one dimensional, e number also one dimensional, location also one dimensional, scalar salary also one dimensional. Collection of these all one dimensional is called what? Multi-dimensional. Collection of these all columns means a table format, a table or collection of list objects, collection of array objects, a collection of table columns is called what? Multi-dimensional. Multi-dimensional. You take the example is what here? Table, guys. Table means what? Table contains set of columns. It contains what? Set of columns. So if one column is there, that is called one dimensional. If multiple columns means table is what here? Like multi-dimensional structure. Okay, right. Then how to create we can take dictionary also, guys. One set tuple this all, right? Okay. And what is series? How to create the series? How to create the series? All of you. Series what now? Series is a one dimensional data structure, right? So how to create means here pandas supports series function. Which function? Series function to create a series. All of you. So we use capital S. So Panda supports a series function to create what? A series. Series means what? One dimensional data structure, which is like a list, array, table, column. These all one name of data structures. Okay. So first let's see how to create a series by using list, by using array, by using table, column. Okay. Let's see now how to create one series. All of you. So in the previous class, I think I worked on the which one? I worked on the Jupyter, right? Jupyter. I think it is closed. I open again, guys. All of you observe. I open the Jupyter again. I'm going to open the Jupyter. So Jupyter notebook, Jupyter notebook. So yesterday we are taking one file, right? What is file name? Data analysis file. Just click on this file. The same as the programs will open here. Right. These are all that NumPy programs we have done in the previous session. Now let's continue the same page for pandas also. Or else you can take different page also, no issues. So first, what do I do? Import pandas as PD, as a as PD, right? PD. Then so first I'll take the one list. Let's see now by using list how to create the series. By using list how to create the series. So I take the list or else list only. I take the names equal to let's take here different names. Right, let's take the last name here. Suppose like this, guys, right? All of him. So then names is what here, it's a list of elements, right, enclosed by square brackets. Now pd dot series capital S, series of. So what is data available? Data available is where in the names. All of data is the argument name. Data available, data equal to what? Names. The names, what list of elements are there. For this I give the one name. I give the one name here. Suppose names uh, else n series, guys, n series like this, name series some name. Then print of n series, print of n series, right? So all of an observe here. So a single column format came, right? Column shape came. Okay, Sai, Nan, Satya, Narayana, Adi, right? And here the index numbers coming by default 0 onwards. Index numbers coming by default starting 0 onwards, right? Suppose I don't want from 0 onwards. I want some user defined or some I want customize index numbers. In that case, you can take suppose let's take the numbers equal to, that also on another list. Suppose I take the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's all. Here, how many names are there in the list? There are 5 names, right? So take the 5 numbers here. Take the 5 numbers. The series will take now index equal to which one? Index equal to nums. All of you. Data equal to that list, names list, plus index equal to what? That nums list, means numbers. Okay. Then again, let's execute here. Execute now. You can see, guys, all of you, right? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These are the which one customized index numbers. And on this list we created what here? A series. This is a series now, one dimensional object. Okay. Now this is done by using what here? List, right? By using list, creating series by using list. This is what here. This is creating series by using what? By using list. Let us try creating series by using tuple also same, guys. Tuple same, set same, all same. Now let's take array. Okay, array here. Import pandas as what here? As pd. I want to create the array. Then what we use? We use np, right? Okay, as np. Then I take the np dot array. Then I'll take now again so elements, right? Now let's take, suppose let's take the, here I take the names, right? You can take the same names also, no problem. I take the different values. I copy that names from there, and the same names I'm using here. That's all of you. Then I'll give you here, suppose nums array name. Okay, nar means the names array, guys, like this. Names array I'm taking here. Names array. Right. Now I'm going to same, remaining same, pd data series, series of what? n array, series of n array. Then let's take n again series, name series, right? Name series, print dot name series. Again, you can see both look like same. Was taking the same values, but this is the coming from the list of elements. This is coming from area of elements. Area of elements. All of you. Again, here also same. If you want to give the index numbers, then let's take the let's take here nums equal to suppose 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm taking from 11 onwards. And one more thing here, actually previously I taken data equal to an array, right? But data equal to is optional. The argument name optional, right? You can give the array name, comma, and we have taken the previous index equal to, right? But that also optional, right? You can take the nums. Data equal to, right? Data equal to or index equal, that is optional. Right? You can take here main data name, then the index numbers name. Then let's run this one. You can see here, all of you. So this is the way. This is the way like creating what here data. Sorry, series, right? But now let us see how to create series by using table column. By using table column, it look like so what a table column, right? Okay. Now I want to create series by table column also. By table column also. All of you. Table means maybe MySQL table, SQL Server table, or Oracle table. Now let's work with MySQL table. MySQL table. I'll open MySQL. Allow observe. Allow observe. Now I'm going to create. I'm going to create what now? I'm going to create creating series by using what here? By using table column in a specific column. For one column, one series. If you want two columns, then take the two series, right? Okay, right. How to do it? By table column. And all of you guys observe here, one point we have to remember that suppose I'm working with Python, right? Okay, I'm working with Python. I am working on Python. From Python, I want to use what here? I want to use suppose MySQL. I want to use what here? I want to use the MySQL. Okay, MySQL. And in MySQL already, what do you have? You have the database. In the database, one table must be there. In that table, some data is there. In the table some data is there. The data I'm going to use here, the data I'm going to use in the program. By using program, I am using the data. I create the series now. I create the series now, or let I create the data frame. Okay, but first what we do, from MySQL how to give the connection. From MySQL how to give the connection. So first this is what here, this is the MySQL, right? Okay, 1 second guys. This is what here MySQL, right? In that MySQL we will have a database. We should have a database, in the database, and what is there here? What is there? Table. Table. The table contains data. The data we have to use here. Okay, the same time, whenever we install the MySQL, we must give the username, and we must give the what here? Password. Both must be there. Generally in MySQL the default username is the root and password is our choice, but in my machine right now I give the name same root. Okay, right. Say a MySQL with complete information available here, like server name, okay, or host name. It's called host name, database name, username, password, and then table. 5 details are there. In the table actual data is there. Okay, so we have to give the connection here. We have to give the link. How to provide that connection means by using a module called the PyMySQL module. Which module again we use? PyMySQL. PyMySQL, MySQL client, MySQL DB. All of you, like the different modules are there. We can use this module to provide the connection between these two, right? So this module also what to do, we have to install again from command prompt, then we have to import it. Like previous modules, this module also available in my mission. You can observe. I'll open the command prompt again. Which one here? pip install my MySQL, Python MySQL. Okay, right. Already requirement satisfied means already it's available. It's available. Okay, right. So Olaf observe. First, what do I do here? First, what we do here. Uh, Olaf that is a little bit lengthy question, lengthy program, little bit to make very clarity. I'll go to use some ideally file, guys. I'm going to use some ideally file so that I think it's easy to understand. So what do I do now? I'll open the ideally. Right. I'll open the one new file. I'll open the one new file. All of you guys observe. So in this file, I'm going right now. I'm going right here in this file. Right. So same commonly what we do import. Commonly what we do import pandas is common thing as PD. Right. And also now I'm going to import what import PyMySQL import PyMySQL, right? So let's check now whether we have the in MySQL in database table is there or not there. If table is there in the table, data is there not there, we check all. So I open the MySQL first. I'll open the MySQL, and as I told you, we should give the password. My password is the root. I am giving the root password. So now MySQL connected here. It's connected. In MySQL, I want to check how many databases are there or what databases are there. So we use show databases. Show databases. These are the right now available databases. In that one, let's go with maybe this contact form DB. Let me try. I'm going to use maybe some data available here, some previous batch data. In that also show tables. So I want to see tables. Oh, tables are not there. Okay. I'm going to use one more database. I think students DB here data is there, and here also I want to see the tables. Show tables. One table is there. In that data is there not there? Let's see now. What's table name? Students data one. Students data one. Yes. So data is available, guys. Data is available. Now in this one, maybe for first name, I'll create the series, or for last name, I create the series, or for email ID, I create the series. So here we can create a number of series, right? One series for the roll number, one series for the first name, one series for the last name, one series for the email ID, one series for the course name, like that. For every column, we can take the separate series. Okay, but let us try at least for first name or at least for I name or some other one. We will create the series. Okay. So here all of you, what's database name we are using? Database name is students DB. In the database, what's table name? Students data one. Students data one. All of you observe as for this one, the host name is MySQL. Database name is what? Database name is MySQL DB. Okay. Then username is there, password is there. These four information first required. Host name, the database name students DB, and root username is root, password is the root. These four first required. Later table name required. Later table name required. So all of you observe in PyMySQL we have one function, guys. One function is there. That function name is connect function. What's the name? Connect function. This connect function is used to take the database credentials. To take what database credentials means, like what is the host name? Specify the host name, specify the database name, specify the username, specify the password. We specify all the information here. So first to host, what is the host here? Local host. It's local machine. We can take the local host, comma. What is the uh, database or first user? Who is the user here? User is the root. Then what is the password? What's the password? Password also is the root. Then What is the DB? DB is what? Database name is what here? Students DB. That's all. Students DB. So I'm giving the MySQL as a local host, then username, then password, and then database name I'm giving. These four details I am giving. A table name will give later whenever data is fetching. Now I'm giving only connection only I'm giving. Only I'm giving connection only. Connection giving. Once the connection established, then later from there I fetch the table. I fetch the table here. Two things. Okay. So first what I'm doing now, I'm establishing the connection. And later what we do, we fetch the data, either fetching the data or updating the data or inserting data. We can do any operation later. But before first what we do, we have to establish the connection. That's why I'm taking credentials, server name, database name, and username and password. Okay, right. Now, this is all information I am taking on a variable called CO, or I take the variable name called connection variable. This variable name is user defined name. You can take any name. You can take the connection or some other name also, no problem. Okay, user defined name. Now, this connection object contains this database credentials, right? All of you. This connection object contains what? This database credentials. Now, this connection object, we have to check whether it has a valid data or not. It has valid data or not, we have to check. Right. So, this connection object, we have to check now. So, connection dot cursor function we use. Which function? Cursor. So connection is an object which contains database credentials. The connection executed by the cursor function. And for cursor, I am giving the name some C equal to. So C is a cursor. C is a cursor which executes the connection. What's connection? Connection is a object which contains the database credentials. Now connection establishing over. Then C mean to what here? Cursor, right? C dot I'll take now execute function. Execute of then what I want now, I want to bring the data, right? I want to bring the data. So directly going to bring the specific column, directly going to bring the specific column from table, bring all the data, then you take the specific column again to the series. Our choice, all of you. So what do I do? First of all, I bring all the data, means the same query I execute there to get the data, the same from the database. Read the query, that's all of you. So now this query executing means what here? This all data is going to fetch. This all data going to fetch, right? Then from the data, do you want only first row or only two rows or all rows? We have to specify, all of you. From this all data, now how many rows you want now? Only one row or a number of rows? All the rows. We want all the rows. We want all the data. C data fetch all. Fetch all. So fetch all means so from this result, fetching all the data, fetching, first execute this query, it executes, and then I want to fetch all the data, fetch all. So fetch all is there to bring all the data, fetch one is there to bring the first row, only first row, fetch many of two, means first two rows, first four rows, 10, first 10 rows, 100, first 100 rows, 2, first two rows. I want all, then give the name all function. So three functions, fetch one to fetch the one record, fetch many of n to fetch a number of records, fetch all to fetch all the data. That all data assigned to one variable called the data variable. Fetching all the data, that all data assigned to which variable? Assigned to data variable. Finally, data variable contains that database data, guys. And this all data will come now, and it displays in tuple format. Means the first row is one tuple format, like 1 at 1 comma, nani comma, sai comma, like that. Again, the second row is the second tuple. Second row is what? Second tuple. And then third row is third tuple. Third row is the third tuple, like that. Every row is a one tuple, and again finally all are the again one tuple. Means a tuple of tuples, all of you. Let me run this one. I save the file, data analysis, something like this. All of you can observe here. It's loading now. It's loading. Yes. All of you can see exactly what happened here. The first row, which format, tuple format came and tuple ended here. First row. Okay, and second row started here and ended here. Second row, tuple format again. Third row started here and ended here. Fourth row started here. Okay, 104 is not there. Okay, fourth row started here, ended here. Fifth row started here and ended here. And sixth row started here and ended here. Sixth row. Each row is one tuple. And again, overall, again tuple, guys. You can see in the beginning one bracket is there, ending one and closing bracket is there. Okay, means tuple of tuples format came. Tuple of tuples means all of observe like so first main tuple, in that also first row one tuple, second row second tuple, third row third tuple, fourth row fourth tuple, fifth row fifth tuple, like that. And the first tuple means first row. Suppose 101 comma first name comma last name comma mobile number comma email id comma course name comma location comma, like that. Again here again second row again roll number comma first name comma last name comma email comma mobile number comma some course comma fees, something like that. All columns coming, guys, like that. So first row is one tuple, second row another tuple, like that. All are the tuples, and all tuples in the another tuple again, another tuple. That means the tuple of tuples format. Which format? Tuple of tuples format came. Tuple of tuples format, guys. Here also same. Here also same first name, last name, email, mobile number, like that. And it's also like that. Right. All of you guys, right? Now, type of data, can you guess now? What is type of data, all of you? What is the type of data? All of you guys give reply. What is the type of data? What is the type of data? All of you. Everyone, please give reply. What is the type of data here? What is the type of data? What is the type of data, guys? All of you. All of us give reply. What is the type of data? Type of data object, guys. I'm asking here type of data object. All of you. Bona, tuple format. Yes, very good. All you reply, guys. What is the type of data object? Tuple, right? Okay. Tuple, guys, right? Fine. Now, I want create which one? Suppose series for the first name. For first name one series, for last name one more series, guys. I want two series here. For first name one series, for last name one more series. Okay. Now, all of me here for I in data. For I in data, what is first time I value? For I in data, what is first time I value? So data means what? The main tuple, right? Data means the main tuple. In that first time I means the first tuple. First tuple. All of you. First time I means what? First element means first tuple. Here also I of 0 means first value. I of 1 means second value. I of 2, I of 3, I of 4, I of 5, I of 6, like this. Second time my value, second row. Second time I will second row, again tuple, right? Again index numbers are there. Again I have 0, I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, like that. And here, as per this table, this is the I have 0, this is the I have 1. The second row also I have 1, again I have 1, again I have 1, again I have 1, again I have 1. In each iteration, I have 1 is what? First name. Allah, first time I value first row. First row, in that I have 1 means what? Nani. Second time I value second row, in that again I have 1 is what? Sai, Satya. Third time I have I means what? Third row, again I have 1 means what? Rajesh. I have 1, I have 1, I have 1, like this, right? And this is what now I have 2, right? I have 2, guys. I means what? Row, in that 0, 1, 2. So I have 1 means first name, I have 2 means what? Last name. So then I have one means first name, and I have two means what? Last name. I'll take the suppose F names equal to list format, and L names equal to again another list. So this is what now first names, right? This is what last names. Okay, last names. So F names dot append function is there in Python. We have append function. Means I'm appending to the all first names into which list here? F names list. Again all last names assigned to the L names list. Okay, I'm taking to separate list, guys. Here L names dot append off, like this. That's all. So finally I'm going to print F names. Let's see now all comes or not. I'm printing only F names only, guys. I don't take this data, full data again. I just take the only F names only F names only. See again, all first means Nani, Satya, Rajesh, Raghu, Rahul. Okay, all of observe all first names. You can see all of observe here. These are all first names, right? So what is there? Nani is there, then Satya, then Rajesh, Raghu, Anil, and Renu. So next, all last names also Sai, Nani, Akash, right? Means again, the output coming which format? List format, all of you. Now list came, list of all first names, list of all last names came. Now by using list again, now we know how to create a series. See again, all last names, right? All last names. That's fine. Now, pandas PD data series of f names, into f name series, first name series, and PD data series of L names, then assigned to L name series, last name series, like this. Or then creating over, guys. First first name first name series are a few. Then we'll take one more also. Got it right? Last names series, like this. That's all. Creating a series, or creating the a series for the first name, series for the first name, creating a series for the last name. Combining these two side by side, like multidimensional. That is what data frame, data frame. So all of you guys, I hope everybody's clear creating the series by using database column. All of you guys, let me know everybody's clear. If you're clear, then we'll see how to create that data frame also, guys. Creating the data frame also, we'll try now. All of you guys, let me know. Everybody's clear, right? All of you reply. Okay, right. So this is the way creating series by using database table column also. Right. So finally, what is series? A series is a one-dimensional data structure. Now let's go with what here, data frame. Data frame. Data frame is multi-dimensional data structure. Multi-dimensional multi-dimensional dimensional data structure. Multi-dimensional data structure. Data frame is what? Multi-dimensional data structure. The example, like you can take a collection of list objects, tuple objects, or array objects, or the data dictionary objects, or a table. Okay, all of you. So first we will see like collection of that list and list objects, one data frame, or a collection of list tuple arrays is one data frame we create. And second we create by using which one, the table, right, by taking the multiple columns, right. So first we see creating data frame by using we'll take the one list, we'll take the one tuple also, we'll take here one array also, guys, array. Let us try now. Let us try by using this all, one list, one tuple, one array. Let us try now. Let us try here. So all of you, why I came to this ideally file instead of which one, this one means all of you. So I hope the visual is good here, guys, compared to there, the visualization, this visual, right. Okay, the appearance is good here. The font size, all you can do it easily. That's why I came here. Okay, right. So now let us try which one, creating what here, creating the data frame, guys. Data frame. Here also, first what we do, import pandas, then import what here, python mysql, pymysql. Same, we give the connection pymysql data connect off. Sorry, now I don't want any database, right, because I'm going to create the data frame by using one list, one tuple, one array, right, all of you. Okay, so now pymysql not required. Let's take the first names, is a list format. I'll take the names, guys. Let's take the names, for example, Mahesh. Then let's take suppose Sai here, and we'll take some name, suppose Advik. All the names coming, right. Okay, and let's take my name here. Let's take five names. I'll take one more name, for example, some name like this, guys. This is the list, right. Now I'll take the one tuple format also, but that is the locations. I'll take tuple of first Mahesh from Hyderabad, Sai from Bangalore. Okay, then Adu from, let's take Delhi, right. Then Narayana, let's take suppose same Hyderabad. Then the last one, Chenna from the Chennai, like this, right. So here names is the list, locations is the tuple. Then let's take marks, which is the array, np dot array of, np means numpy, right. Okay, numpy is not there. Let's take numpy as a np. Here also take as a pd pandas. I'll take the marks here. First Mahesh, out of 190, then Sai something 95, then Advik suppose 90 here, Narayana suppose 60, then Chinna suppose let's take 80, like this. Okay. So here all of you observe there are three objects are there: names, locations, marks. And that is, names is the list, locations the tuple, marks is the array. Marks is the array. By using these three, what we do will create a multi-dimensional data structure, that is the data frame, right? Okay. So in that case, suppose in that case you can display titles also, guys. We display titles also. First, for example, these all which one are names, right? Names. Below names we can display these all, and below locations we display these all. Like table columns are there, right? If you see the table columns are there, right? Table columns are there. Column name, below column name, all values. Again, column name, below column name, all the values. Like that, we can display column names also in the data frame. So that's why what do I do? I'll take here. This is all about the student, right? I'll take, for example, students, which is dictionary format. Why dictionary format means I want to get the columns names like this. Columns names like this. So first column name is the first column name student names are like this. That's first column name. For that column, I give the which values? I give the names values. This is the column name. Under that column, I want to display these names. I want to display these names. Okay. Next, second column name, student locations. For example, guys. Then under this column, I want to display which values. I want to display these locations, right? That's why what is object name? Object name is locations. And one more column, marks is there. I want to display student marks like this. And there below that one, I want to display which one? Marks object. That's all. So finally, these three taken in the single dictionary to display the columns names like that. Then by using this object, dictionary object, we create what? Data frame. Again, same guys, PD data data frame, capital D, capital M, F, data frame of same data equal to what? Data equal to students. Data equal to students, or directly you can take students also. Data is optional. Data students, they'll take now students. I'll take students data frame, students data frame. Then I'll display print of students data frame. Now let me run this one. Pandas data frame. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake is there. Data frame. All of you can observe here. So first column name, below column name, all values are there. Next column name, all values are there. Next column name, all values are there. The same one, guys, the same one. Just observe now. I just display and I run here. Yes, you can see now. All of you. S names is the column name. S names. Below that one, all names displaying. List of names. S locations. Below that one, this is all displaying. S marks. Below that, this is all displaying, guys. The same program I just pasted here. Right. So this is the one way. This is the one of the way to create the data frame by using different objects. Those all objects we take in the dictionary format. The keys will be the columns names. The value will be the actual values. Again, key is the column name. This location's value is the contains actual values. These values, and same displays. And the keys is our choice. So keys names are choice. Suppose I take now students underscore names. For example, guys. Okay, and let's take here. Students underscore locations, and also I'll take now students underscore marks. Then you can see now the same name coming: students names, students locations, students marks. Okay, so the keys names means these columns names are the use different names. So all of you guys, let me know, is everybody clear till now how to create the data frame creating by using different objects. And this is the is one dimensional. This is the one dimensional. This is the one dimensional collection of all one dimensionals. It became what here multi-dimensional. By using collection of all one dimensionals, you can create what multi-dimensionals. All of you guys, everybody's clear till now. All of you guys, till now everybody's clear. If I clear this one, then let's clear the one more data frame by using database table. Means by using 3 4 columns. Here, like three objects are there, right? Three objects are there. The same three objects we create by using the database table columns. These three will take as database columns. Then we create. That's all. Very simple. All of you, is everybody's clear? Right. Let us try now. I'm going to comment this one. Creating database data frame. Creating data frame by using table. Okay, by using table, guys. So first same import pandas as pd, then import py-mysql. Okay, then py-mysql dot connection. I give the credentials. First host equal to, what's the host, guys? Here local host. Then user, who is the user? Root is the user. And then password, what's password? Password is also is root. And then db, database name is what? Students db. Means now connection establishing is done. The connection will keep on execute the connection established by using a function called what's function? Cursor function. First I'm giving the c. So c is a cursor. C is a cursor which established the connection. Connection is an object which contains database credentials. So connection established. Then what we do by using that C, we execute to get the data. Select to star from I think students data 1. Okay. So that for executing, and then we have decided, do you want to get all the data or a specific data? I want to get all the data. Then C data, we use fetch all, that all into one variable called the data variable. Which variable? Data variable. And we know this data means it's a tuple of tuples. Tuple of tuples, guys. Here connect function. Right. So now I want to create the one data frame by using this first name, by using last name, by using suppose course name, by using institute name also, or any number of columns. You can take 2 columns, 3 columns. We can take all columns also. If required, we can take all columns also. But right now, I'll take the first name, I'll take the last name, I'll take the course name, and then fees I name. 5 columns I'm taking. What is first one? First name, last name, and then course name, fees, and then I name, and then I name. 5 fields. Okay. For these 5 fields, I'm going to create that data frame. All of you. So type of data is what? Tuple, right? For I in data, what's first time I value? First row. The first time I value first row. In that one, I have 0 means roll number. I have 1. I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 5, I have 6, I have 7, I have 8. But now I want I have 1 as a first name. I have 2, I have 4, I have 6 and 7, right? 6 and 7. Let me take here. First, I means first row. In that, I have 1 means first name. I have 1 means first name. I have 2 means what? Last name. Again, I have 2 means what here? Last name. I have 3, I don't want. I have 4 means what? Course name. I have 4 means what? Course name. And I have 5 not required. I have 6, 7 both required. So I have 6 required. I have 7 required. Okay. So here I'll take the few list objects. First, F names means for first names, one list object. Then L names, one list object. Then C names means what? Course names, one list object. Then fee, one list object. Last one, I names is one list object. Okay. So IF1 means what? First name, right? All first names in every row, first names I want to go to where F name variable, right? F name variable. So F names dot append off like this. Next, this one I want to go to where L name, right? L names dot append off. L names dot append off. Then next third one is C names dot append off, and then next feed data append off, and then uh, I names data append off. That's all, right? Now let me print this all whether working or not working. F names coming or not. Yes, F names coming. F names coming. Then print of L names check once. F names is list. L names also is another list. Okay. Then print of C names. Then print of fee. Then print of I names. Print of I names. Okay. Right. Now run this all. Right. We can see now. And here we have the 5 objects, right? Here we have 5 objects, guys, right? Means 5 list objects are there. Now by using these 5 list objects, what can I do? We can create which one? Data frame easily. Create the data frame. We can create the data frame easily. All of you observe. So I'll take now again. I'll take the students equal to dict of. First, I'll take here. First column name is what? I'll take the first column name is the first names. Under that, what I want to display? I want to display F names. Okay. Next, I want to display. Suppose the last two space names. Below that, I want to display L names only. And next, I want to display course names. Below that, I want to display only C names only. And next, I want to display fee. Below that, fee object. Then what next one? Institute name, right? Okay. I want to display institute. Then below I want to display I names. That's all. Right. Finally, let's see now, guys. What will come if I use students only? Students only. Let us see now what will come now. Only students. Right. Dict will come. Right. Okay. First name is the key. In that all first names are there. Last name is the key. In that all last names are there, and course names is the key, all courses are there, and fee is the key, like that. Now by using the students, what should we do? Create the one data frame, right? Pd data frame of students. Then I'll take students data frame. Then print of what here? Students data frame. That's all. Print of students data frame. Run this one. All you can observe here, right? All coming. Let us try the same program. Uh, in Jupyter also, guys. The same program is done. Right. Can you observe all of you? So first names, last names, course names, fees, and institute names. One data frame is created with required columns names. With required columns names. That's all. Right. So all of you observe here. What happened now? From database we bought the data, right? We bought the data, guys. From database we bought the data, and then we create the data frame, right? We create the data frame. All of you. So guys, observe here, all of you. Right, just observe, all of you. So what is happening now? From database we are extracting the data, right? Extracting the data, and here what we do now, we can make some operations. Right now what happened here? Fetching the data done. Fetching the data and create the data frame. Here data frame is, we can take one kind of staging area, guys. There data frame is one kind of staging area, and there what we do, we perform the transformations, guys. So right now only from one database we bought the data, right? Next what we do, from one database, and okay, and we try to use one file and one more any other database, like 3-4 sources we bring the data. All of you, 3-4 sources bring the data. We combine all the data. We combine all the data from all the data sources, and we do some operations. Then we load into the, which one, guys? Load into the maybe another table that we see in the next session, guys. All of you. Okay. Right now we understand only extract the data from database table. We understand next, from multiple tables how to extract the data. From multiple tables extracting and making some any appending or else some cleaning operations. Then we load into the again one database. We'll see that one. All of you. Is it clear? So we'll take the class tomorrow, guys, at 7 p.m. in the evening. All of you, don't miss the class tomorrow. Uh, at 7 p.m. we'll take the live again. All of you guys, everybody's clear? Once this operation over, then by using again some the same table data, what we do, will create the graphs also, so that data analysis will be over. All of you guys. Hmm? Right. Thank you, all of you guys. We'll meet tomorrow.